Okay, so in this document, we're just going to take a look at saving and the two options around saving. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of text to my document. Okay, so I'll just make it a little bit bigger. So to show how to save a document. So like I said, we can use this little icon up here. Um, and if it's the first time that we've saved a document, it'll prompt us to use the save as option. Alternatively, we can go to File and Save As. When it's the first time to save a document, both of these buttons will effectively do the same thing. So I'll just show you that. So Save As, and it asks us where we want to save it. So just for the moment, I'm going to save it in my desktop. And I would give it a file name, and I could choose what type of a document. So whether it's a Word document, if it's a template, and we'll be looking at all of these kind of things in the coming weeks. I can save it as a PDF. So PDF is a different type of document, and basically once it's saved as a PDF, it's more difficult to edit it. So if you wanted to send somebody a document and didn't want them to change it, the PDF is the way to go. Um, for the moment, we're going to save our documents as Word documents. So we could give it a name here, save it as a Word document, and just click Save. But I just want to show you that because it's my first time to save the document, that using the Save button will bring me to the exact same thing. You see that when I actually went to hit Save, um, it, it'll bounce down nearly to the Save As. So Save, again, it's asking me where I want to save it. And just to be very pedantic, I just want to show you that hitting on this little purple disc will do the exact same thing. And this is all because it's the first time I have saved this document. So clicking that brings me, you see here, to the Save As. Okay, so I decide where to save it. I give it a name, so I'm just going to call it Sample Doc and save. Okay, now you see my document up here is called Sample Doc, and it's showing with a status of saved. Okay, so now if I add in more text, and now if I hit save, it doesn't ask me where do I want to save it. It doesn't ask me what I want to call it. It has just overwritten my previous document called sample. Okay, so that's just the difference between save and save as. Save as allows you to name the document, decide what to call it. Save is just making updates to that previously saved document. Okay, so save and save as. Alternatively, or not alternatively, I suppose in parallel with that, you may sometimes then want to open a document that you have previously saved. So I'm just going to go up here to new and blank document. And so if I want to go back and access that document that I previously saved, I can go to File and Open. Okay. Now, it may appear down here in my most recently accessed documents. It may not, if I've opened a lot of documents since I previously worked on it. So I can go to Open, and I can, again, it may appear over here on the last couple of documents that I've used. If not, I can go to Browse and find the document that I want to open. So we see it here, sample.doc, and I can just click on Open, and it brings you back into the document. Okay, because it would be very unusual that you would type up a document and never need to access it again. So if you've saved it for a reason. So you'll want to go back in and open it. Alternatively, sorry, I have loads of things opened, very bad. Alternatively, you may want to just navigate to where you have the document saved, find it, double click, and open it. Okay, so they're the options that are available to you.